Welcome back to another studio vlog. Today we are packing orders and making the stickers, masks, scrunchies for these orders. Hope you enjoy the video. I started off the day by printing and formatting all our sticker orders. I had a little bit of space at the bottom, so I added a few sushi stickers for freebies. As you know, the Cricut is quite slow, so I'm inserting the sticker sheet and mat into the Cricut now, cutting it, and while I wait, I'm going to format all my other stickers for the other orders. A few days ago, we reached 300 sales on Etsy, and I want to thank you guys by hosting a giveaway, which is on our Instagram, so you can go check that out right now. The prize is a $20 gift card, 3 scrunchies of your choice, and 2 masks of your choice, so good luck! One of our customers ordered all these stickers and she requested them to be on a single sheet instead of our die cut, and she wanted them in a mini size. Here are how the mini sushi die cuts turned out. They're super cute, and I will just show you how the rest of the cuts came out, and these are actually 4 orders. And don't forget the sticker backing card. I'm just putting the stamps on the envelopes for the sticker orders. So these are the smaller envelopes, so we only need 1 stamp. And here we're using a wax paper and putting our sticker backing card and all these stickers inside. This is a very eco-friendly way of packaging. We don't use any plastic and the package stays waterproof. Here I'm adding the package with love stickers that I just designed. And adding a small logo sticker on the front. And every package we add the 10% off code, mini freebie stickers, and a handwritten note. So I'm just going to all package that up with a nice piece of tissue paper. Now that we are done with the stickers, I'm going to make our mask and scrunchie orders. So this one is actually cutting the lining for a sheer fabric mask. So here's a time lapse of me sewing the sheer daisy mask. I've shown you this process in my previous videos, but I'm just inserting the elastic through the casing with a safety pin and also using these white adjusters. I finished sewing and I just filmed how I package one of these sets. this order I'm packaging right now are 5 of the Stop Asian Hate die cut matte stickers. Even though this is a recently new released sticker, we have made over $100 in profit, which will all be donated to supporting this cause. Again, adding this package with love sticker that I designed and repeating the process as the other packages. I hope you guys enjoyed this relaxing studio vlog. Make sure to go to Instagram right now to participate in our giveaway. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I'm making a quick post office run. I have my daisy shear mask and my sunflower bag with all the orders. See you at the post office. Bye guys, and see you next time.